Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Narendra and welcome back to Office Master. Today we are diving into the world of Excel and uncovering some amazing tips and tricks that will save you time and make you more efficient. So whether you are a beginner or a seasoned Excel user, stick around because you are bound to learn something new. Before we move forward, I would like to tell you that Office Master is offering an exclusive workshop on Microsoft Office using AI tools. The link is in the description. We'll talk more about it later in the video.
Working professionals, are you using Excel, Power BI, PowerPoint, or Word in your day-to-day life? What if I tell you that you're wasting 95% of your time while you're doing so? How so, you will be asking me? Because you're not using ChatGPT and AI tools while doing all of these work.
Now let's get started with our Excel tips and tricks. First up, let's talk about keyboard shortcuts. Did you know that using keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow in Excel? Instead of reaching for the mouse every time you need to perform an action, we can simply press a few keys and get the job done in seconds. So for example, we have total 5 keyboard shortcuts which we are going to discuss in this video. Our first keyboard shortcut is Alt plus H to open, find and replace dialog box directly. Now let's pause here for a moment. AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 2-hour Microsoft Office using AI tools workshop, in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. Alright, let's get back to our Excel tips and tricks. Second keyboard shortcut in our list is Alt plus E plus S plus V to access paste special dialog box. Third keyboard shortcut in our list is Ctrl plus single quotation mark to copy the value from the cell above the currently selected cell. Fourth keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus Shift plus $sign to apply currency formatting to the selected cell. Fifth keyboard shortcut in our list is Ctrl plus Shift plus L to toggle filters for Excel tabs. Now let's talk about time-saving techniques. Excel is packed with powerful features that can help you save time on repetitive tasks. For example, in this video, I took 5 time-saving techniques. Our first technique is templates. Start with pre-formatted layouts for instant setup. Our second technique is macros. Automate repetitive tasks with recorded actions. Third technique in our list is solver add-in. Quickly find optimal solutions for complex problems. Fourth technique in our list is conditional formatting. Fifth technique in our list is Power Query. Import, transform, and clean data from various sources with ease. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share the video with your friends. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Also, don't forget to check out our workshop link in the description. We'll see you there. Thank you.